Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new around here. My name is Eliza and this channel is about fashion, beauty, lifestyle and trends. Thank you so much for joining me today for this video, because today I have something very exciting. Lots of you have been asking me on Instagram DMs, where did I get my new Hermes Kelly in a dusty blue color from. So I thought I would just film this video and talk to you through every single teeny tiny detail. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Before we get started, I would like to quickly introduce you to one of my favorite jewelry brands. It's Analisa, and they're also kindly sponsoring this part of the video. They are the most worn jewelry of mine, and I'm partnering with them for some time already. But if you're not familiar with the brand, they're actually a New York-based jewelry company that is focused on creating ethical and sustainable jewelry that is affordable and has an amazing quality. Honestly, high quality jewelry is an essential part of all my looks, and sometimes even I really like layering different pieces together, whether it's rings or necklaces, to give my look that finishing touch. So if you're interested, then definitely check out the link in the description box down below and use my discount code. Their prices starting from $39, and they're so luxurious and adorable. You will definitely love them. Today we're going to be talking about my new Hermes Kelly bag in a dusty blue color, and I've got a lot of requests from you to film this particular video because I have been showing this bag on my Instagram stories. If you're not subscribed to my Instagram channel, definitely check it out because I'm more active there. But yeah, it's not the topic of this video. Let's talk about this beautiful bag. As you probably know, Kelly 25 as well as Birkin 25 are the trendiest and hottest bags of this year, because basically the smaller the bag, the better. It's a new trend, so it's so difficult to hand them down and put your hands on one of them, because 25 and 28 centimeters are the hottest at the moment. And originally I wanted to have Kelly 25 in a baby blue color, but honestly when I saw this one, I've instantly fallen in love with it, because it's a nice mixture between grey and blue, and it works so well with almost every single outfit of mine. And yeah, I simply love this size. You know guys, that my first Birkin was in a nice like dusty grey color, which I still have, but this bag is so adorable, and I think it's just a perfect bag for like spring summer season, and in general it's very classic and elegant. So yeah, let's just stop mumbling and go into all the teeny tiny details and I show you the bag. I love this Epsom leather so much because it's very durable, it's very sturdy, and you don't have to worry about any color transfers whatsoever. And I really like how it holds its shape, so it's so structured, it's so nice. It's definitely one of the best bags in my collection. And if we go through all the details of the bag, you can see that all the stitches are in its place. Everything looks so good and so decent, and I really like these parts here, because unlike Louis Vuitton bags, this is the quality, I must say. Because if you've seen my previous videos where I was talking about some of the Louis Vuitton bags, you know that I've mentioned that some of these parts are cracked a little bit, and you can see that it's not even, and it looks very, you know, not perfect basically for the price you pay. But here everything looks absolutely stunning, every single stitch on its place, the glazing is just perfect. So yeah, let's go through every single detail and take a closer look at the bag. Because it's a 25 centimeter cali bag, it's not a big bag at all. It's just enough to fit your daily items. It's roomy enough, I must say. It has a very nice spacious zip pocket here and 2 additional small compartments, but overall it has just 1 big compartment, and I highly recommend you to use the insert or something to protect the interior leather, because the interior leather is very, you know, tender. It's more delicate than the exterior leather, that's for sure. That's why if you have like such light colored bags like beige or gray or blue, I would recommend to use some insert to protect the interior of the bag. But overall it's such a great bag, and the size is like the perfect size for me, because I would say I'm a fan of smaller bags. Let's talk a bit about some downsides. First of all, you need to be careful, and nevertheless, because of the light color of the bag. I know I mentioned before that the leather of this bag is quite sturdy, but still, if you're wearing something that is black, it can get some color transfers. You need to keep that in mind. I haven't had any issues with the gray bag at all, and with the leather of the bag I haven't had any color transfers so far, but people talk and people say a lot that they've got some color transfers here, or it gets a bit dirty, you know. Even if you have a sturdy and durable leather, sometimes it gets a bit dirty. So I would say I would put some twilly here, and I will protect the leather of the bag as much as possible. Another issue is this gold plate here, because it's opening the lock all the time and shutting it, it can get scratched really easily. That's why I prefer to wear it like that or like this. So it's kind of untidy, but honestly is the best way to protect the surface of these little plates. The minor issue that can occur is those parts can scratch really easily, because this bag comes together with a strap in case if you wear it as a crossbody bag or on your shoulder. The clip here scratches and moves all the time, so expect this part to be scratched as well. Luckily it's not my case, because I really like to wear it as a top handle bag or on the crook of my arm, as I mentioned before. But for those who like to wear this bag crossbody, it might be an issue. Apart from that, I haven't noticed anything so far, anything drastic or something like that. This bag is very beautiful. The size is just perfect. It fits exactly the amount that you need to carry with you. It's such a darling and elegant bag, and I was lucky enough to put my hands on that one a couple of months ago. But if you're looking for something like small, Cali 25, Cali 28 or bag in the same size, look somewhere, ask personal buyers, personal shoppers, because it's almost impossible to get it from the store unless you're traveling to Europe, where it's more accessible, more or less accessible I'd say, but still you need to wait in line. But yeah, this color is very darling. I would totally recommend you to check it out. All the sort of dusty colors, not baby blue, not baby pink, but rather dusty colors are the best. That was pretty much it, and I really hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to check Analisa website, because they have so many adorable jewelry pieces, and use this discount code that will give you 10% off of any order. Keep in mind that their pieces starting from only $39, which is amazing, and I'm sure you will love them. And as usual, I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye guys!